Hi everyone! So for today, magugas tayo ng mga pinggan. Here. So, hugas tayo ng pinggan. For today's many vlog is magugas tayo ng pinggan because we've been busy for a while and I've been staying home lately too. You can see. Yeah. Anyway, welcome to my crib. To my condo. Hugas tayo. That I'm on. I just had a breakfast earlier today. We have like fresh noodles with egg, like not the regular egg, the big egg or chicken egg, but the small egg, which is it has a high protein in it. Since I'm very skinny, I need to eat more. I need more protein. So, yeah. So, this is gonna be my daily life really if I'm not working, like especially during holidays or if I'm on my rest day just like now. Yesterday was my rest day. I had 2 days off, but tonight I gotta be back working again. Oh, by the way, if you guys like we're contemplating where I stay, I'm at the 35th floor, 35th floor. Anyway, I'll show you afterward. Once I'm done, I'll just pause it for now. Hi guys, so for today is I'm doing the laundry. Matapos ko lang mag-laundry, so isasampay ko na siya. I had breakfast. So, yeah. Yeah, so ayun, magsasampay na tayo for today's video, for today's vlog. So, watch out. So, ito po yung sampayan ko for today's video. Actually foldable siya, so it's easy. And the washer is just here. It's only 6 minutes na lang, tapos na siya. So, yeah, just stay still here and just watch me do my thing. Okay. You got my own baby. Oh baby. And as you can see also, earlier I had the Milo at a breakfast. So thank you sa food. Kahapon malakas yung ulan kasi may bagyo, yung landfall ng bagyo kahapon. But today, sobrang init na sa labas. So yung bagyo is only good for 1 day. So, I don't know what happened. Good thing. But anyway, guys, stay safe kayong lahat. Check na natin yung laundry natin. Still have 5 minutes more left. Okay. So guys, since try na yung wash natin sa wash and dryer natin. So ito ginagawa ko is just that we're removing it from the washer and dryer combo and then put it on the dito sa sampayan ko dito. And then yeah, kasi this is gonna be good for 1 week. So yeah, we'll just put them together on the hanger and then dito na rin sa sampayan. I'm actually kind of nausy here because I'm still like under drug. When I say under drug, is that I'm taking pills for my flu, so that's the reason why I'm kind of like a little bit drowsy and seems like I'm not doing what I'm doing. Really. So ayun, dito ay kailangan ko lang iisa-isa yung mga inuna ko na muna yung mga t-shirts and polo sa hanger para yung mga remaining na lang is pag naubos na yung hanger is doon na lang sa sampayan na lang din. So yeah, that's gonna be. And kahapon it was actually like raining so bad. It was yesterday was like a typhoon landfall here in Philippines, especially here in Manila. However, it only lasted for a few hours. Now today it's kind of really hot. The weather today is really, really, really hot. The sun is so bright. So I hope those people who are affected with the typhoon are okay now. And keep safe everyone always, to make sure that you have like necessities such as like medicines, water, food, flashlight. Yeah, because those are really important. Anyway guys, just keep on watching. There are more to go, so it's gonna be a long video. Hope that you would always like, share, like, subscribe, and also make sure that you'd like comment on our comment sections. If you have any suggestions, you can always like comments down below. Ay nako guys, I thought I'm done with my mga sa mga isasampay ko. I forgot na meron pala ako natitira pang mga mga medyas dito sa loob ng washer and dryer combo namin. And ayun, meron pa rin pala mga t-shirt na natira. So I thought I'm done. So I don't have enough like space. At saka para sa mga hanger ko, kasi I thought yung nilagay ko doon sa washer ko is just good for for like 3 days, and never thought that nilagay ko lahat ng mga dirty clothes ko doon. Or yeah, ayun. So ayun, i-hanger naman natin sila ulit. Nalaglag pa nga yung ko dyan, ko lang eh. Kakatapos ko lang malaba, tapos nalaglag, nagka-dirty naman, nagka-dust naman siya. Anyway, it's really a great day today, so I'm pretty sure that yung washer and dryer combo namin is like good. So the reason why kailangan ko siyang i-hang because it's gonna dump wet pa siya. By the way guys, please follow, subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Amigo J. And then also follow me on my TikTok, which is Amigo J. Facebook is RG Garzon. Facebook page is Amigo J. Oh no, I need more hanger. And I actually have like a runny nose right now. Runny nose. Loving you. Sinisipon talaga ako guys, grabe. It's been almost a week now. May flu kasi ako, yung sipunod sa habo. Nang dahil natin sa weather changes. So that's why I have like that. Okay. All are set. Set for this. Okay guys, everything is set. So thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comments down below.